Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're tired of scooping kitty litter, you have to get your hands on the self-cleaning litter box from KITPLUS. This litter box has seriously made all the difference. So it's designed to be able to accommodate multiple pets. So with 2 cats, this has been awesome. It has a really generous capacity, so even with multiple pets using it, you don't have to switch out the bag very often. It really does last a long time. We love the convenience of the app. So the app does all sorts of things. You can customize it. You can turn it to manual, which is really handy when you're first starting out and your cats are super curious. They might be hopping in and out a lot without using the litter box. So it's kind of nice to have the option to turn off the automation. It also weighs your pet when it hops in. So that makes it so that if you're not home, you know which cat is using the litter box. You can also monitor for health reasons if that's a concern. This has been in the living room, and when I tell you it's odor-free, it really is. The quality is amazing. It reads as soon as your pet goes in there that weight as small as 2 pounds, so even if you have a little kitten, and so it won't rotate when there's an animal in there. So this is really great. It gives you peace of mind that there will be no injuries. It'll only self-clean when there's no pets in there, and then it will automatically rotate, remove all the dirty kitty litter, and only leave the clean stuff. To make the transition easy, we used the kitty litter that we normally use, so they were very familiar. It took no time to adjust. It even comes with the bags you need, it comes with the deodorizer, and it comes with this awesome mat. So you put this in front, and then when your cat hops out, it's gonna gather all of that extra litter off their paws. So do yourself a favor, get this litter box, and that's my point of view.